Hi guys, today I'm demonstrating how to use the Ionic Bonding Spray by Brazilian Blowout. So we begin with like damp hair. So currently I've just shampooed my hair guys 20 minutes back. So this is the amount of dampness your hair should have. As you can see, they're neither too wet, they're neither too dry, but they're like towel dry. This I personally feel is the exact amount of dampness when that your hair needs in order to make this product work at its best capacity. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly shake it, and you can see this has a spray kind of a thing. So I'm going to just spray it very, very mildly, not very lavishly. Like you need very little of this product, guys. And I'm going to avoid the crown area. I just like to do it on my lens. You just hold it like at a distance of like 5 inches. Right, and then spread it out, and you can use like a flat brush to spread out the product after you've spread it out with your fingers. So as you can see guys, I've first applied the product and then I'm starting the detangling process. So this spray is more like of course, as the name suggests, this is a bonding spray. What it does is this works on the frizziness of the hair. So this kind of seals the cuticle, which is like where is all like the damage happens, the split ends, everything begins at the cuticle level. So if we have a hair care product which can seal our cuticle, which in a way is like making it stronger, robust, then overall it will get damaged less, or it's like less prone to damage. So that is the whole premise around it. But there is a certain way to use this. Like you have to use it on towel dried hair. I read it like they also say that you can use this on dry hair. Guys, I've tried using it. It didn't work like too well. I don't know. Like the output is much better if you use it on towel dried hair. And yeah, according to me, the only flip side of this product is that it's a little elaborate. Once you've applied detangle your hair, you need to blow dry your hair. And like someone like me, like I'm not much of a like a blow dry person. I just like my hair to get dried like naturally. But when I have to use this product, in order to activate its active ingredients, in order to get the benefit out of the product, we have to blow dry it. So I just use like very minimal level of heat and I blow dry them, but on a heat setting, and but I just keep it very quick. That's another thing I feel about this spray, that it really reduces like the whole blow dry time. So it's not like you have to blow dry for like 20 minutes. I think 3 to 5 minutes is kind of what works for my hair, but my hair are very thin. If you have like thicker dense hair, you might need like longer blow drying time. So guys, I have my dry hair. I'm going to use like the minimal heat setting and just quickly like blow dry my hair. So guys, here is the final outcome. I've blow dried them, and literally today I've not applied any conditioner, no serum, and just like see the quality of my hair. Just to let you know, I've colored them so much, like I'm almost like so goldenish blonde kind of color on my hair lengths, that they're super frizzy these days. But you can see like today I've utilized the Brazilian Blowout Ionic Bonding Spray. So there is hardly any frizz. There are some baby hair, but like again, as compared to a normal state of affair with respect to baby hair, this is like negligible. So I just totally love the impact. I like the fact how it adds like that gloss kind of a thing. I don't know if you guys can see. There is like some glossy appeal this product adds to my hair, because otherwise they are literally not so shiny as well. And overall I just feel like when I touch my hair, they feel just very soft and nourished, and it smells amazing. And this is paraben free, no sulfate. This is vegan, cruelty free, suitable for all hair types. So guys, even if you have like colored hair and you are someone who's like just fed up of frizz, you've tried all sorts of shampoos and conditioners, repair products, this is one repair product. You need to give it a try, and you will not complain.